Creating an ebook used to mean long hours of writing, endless editing, and hiring designers to make it look professional. But with EbookWriter AI, the entire process is simplified into just minutes. Here's the idea. You start by choosing your topic and the AI instantly builds your ebook for you. It generates chapters, organizes the content, and even creates a smooth transition so the writing feels natural. Then it formats everything automatically, giving your ebook a polished layout, professional fonts, and even an AI designed cover that's ready to impress. You're not limited to just text either. EbookWriter AI lets you add images, customize styles, and insert affiliate links so your ebook can become a source of passive income. Imagine creating niche-specific ebook today and publishing it on Amazon KDP tomorrow. That's how powerful this tool is. Instead of wasting weeks, you can now produce ebooks in minutes and focus on what really matters, sharing your knowledge and building your income streams. If you want to see how fast you can create your own ebooks, click the link in the description and try EbookWriter AI today.